Hi everybody, welcome back to 99 days 99 percentile. So one common question that a lot of you all ask is selective preparation कर रहा हूं, सब कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूं, is 99 percentile still possible in quant? Forget quant, I think it's possible everywhere. But आज के लिए let's talk about quant. 99 percentile ever since COVID, that means from 2020 to 2024, in quant has never crossed 35 marks, which means you do not need to get more than 12 questions net correct. That means from an attempt perspective, maybe attempting about 16, 17 questions at max. In the difficult papers, it's gone down to about 27, 28. That means maybe attempting about 12, 13 questions at about 80% accuracy. Now, two things to keep in mind. Arithmetic plus algebra, the ANA show. It generally comprises close to about 65% of the paper. Geometry last year was roughly 4 questions, numbers about 3 questions, modern math a couple. So if I combine all of them also, not more than 10 questions. So if I'm one of those who is very good at arithmetic and algebra and has probably covered basics of numbers, say I have done classification of numbers, a little with respect to factors, understand remainders क्या होता है, remainders की theorem नहीं पता, पर मेरे को pattern identification पता है. If I'm able to do all of that along with a little bit of mensuration, a little bit of triangles, अब ये little bit बोल रहा हूँ, आज आके नीचे एक comment आएगा तुरंत, सब कुछ ही तो बोल दिया, little bit का क्या मतलब है, but I'm sure you get the gist of what I'm trying to state. You can go ahead and leave a bucket load of things and still cover roughly about 65-70% of the so-called syllabus and be able to attempt close to about 14 to 15 questions. With good accuracy, say roughly around 75-80%, you would be knocking on the door to a 99 percentile. So, in case you haven't already, one thing that you should do is arithmetic and algebra has to be strengthened. Of the 14-15 questions that come there, you need to be in a situation कि कम से कम 10 to 11 तो वहां से attempt हो जाए. If that happens, then the easier level of difficulty 1, LOD 1 topics that come from or the questions that come from the other topics will ensure you're very close to a 14-15. Now, if you're one of those who's not solving more than 4-5 questions at this point in time, forget this. Isko bhool jao, focus on what you're doing, try taking those attempts to about 7-8, 100% accuracy ke aspas rahoge, you'll still get a 95. But if you're one of those who's already close to a 88 percentile or a 90 percentile, 99 is still possible. All the very best for the next 70 days.